When it comes to men's fashion, we often find ourselves looking for that balance between the classic and the custom, the formal and the flexible. And today we're talking about the brand that has it all. This brand has essentially taken tailored to perfection and given it a digital facelift, carving out a reputation for its meticulous approach to menswear. Let's dive in and see what makes this brand the one-stop menswear shop that doesn't just sell clothes, but cultivates the art of dressing well. Proper Cloth was born from a moment many of us can relate to: the frustration of never finding a shirt that fits just right. What started as an ambitious project in custom shirts has since grown into a brand that serves up tailored perfection on a silver platter. Working off the premise that men's clothing shouldn't be a one-size-fits-all affair. After all, men themselves don't come in a standard size. The New York-based brand has carved out a unique space by combining high-quality materials with customizable fits, all while maintaining a strong emphasis on craftsmanship. And their ethos is simple: why settle for off-the-rack when you can go bespoke? And that's just what we did. We ordered a couple of their standout pieces to see for ourselves what the hype was about. And boy, were we impressed. At first glance, you think you're receiving a huge pizza, which, of course, we wouldn't have turned down. The packaging is surprisingly compact and eco-friendly. And as soon as you lift the lid, you immediately see the level of quality you're dealing with. The garment cover is neatly folded and zipped, and makes for a great travel and storage item. Revealing the garments inside feels like opening a treasure trove, complete with monogrammed wooden hanger and an envelope packed full of information. The whole experience feels thought through with incredible attention to detail. Proper Cloth offers far more than the custom shirts they are famous for. We're talking tailored suits, wool jackets, trousers, and let's not forget their line of accessories: ties, pocket squares, and scarves that add the finishing touch to any outfit. So, let's take a closer look at the garments we chose. First up, we have the Ochre Shetland Tweed Waverley Jacket. Crafted from Japanese Shetland wool, this jacket oozes sophistication. Proper Cloth is a perfectionist when it comes to fabric sourcing, working with suppliers from Italy, Japan, and Portugal to ensure top-notch materials with a rich story and heritage behind them. The Waverley jacket's ochre color is just the right amount of bold without being too flashy. It is unlined, meaning it will take you from fall through winter and into spring in a variety of settings. Wear it with a simple white t-shirt, add an extra layer with a cardigan, pair it with your favorite knit, or dress it up with a classic white button-down shirt. The devil's in the detail. Although this jacket is unlined, there is lining in the sleeves, which helps to retain the structure in the shoulders. The kissing sleeve buttons are the quintessential sign of a quality garment. Inside the jacket, there are two breast pockets, one revealing a label with your custom measurements. This isn't just a jacket, it's a statement piece. It's for the guy who wants a little pop of personality but still appreciates timeless style. The black heavyweight fresco wide-leg pleated trouser is where old-school sophistication meets modern tailoring. Made from an Italian heavyweight merino wool, these trousers are designed to give you structure without the heavy feel that comes with other wool pants. The fresco wool makes them great for year-round wear, as the open weave keeps you cool when it's hot, but still has enough weight to feel substantial in colder weather. Wear it with a classic tee, add a cardigan, or go with a crisp button-down shirt. Add the Waverley jacket to finish off any look. Let's take a closer look. We opted for a mid-waist fit, which turned out just perfect. There's no need for a belt. Double pleats and angled pockets give the design a nostalgic yet modern touch. The loose leg fit feels light and non-restrictive. The trousers are beautifully finished and fall at a mid-break, as we requested. The Smart Sizes technology is a game changer. Using just a few simple measurements, Proper Cloth can predict your perfect fit, which is incredibly convenient for anyone not keen on standing around with a tape measure in front of a mirror. And the best part? Your measurements will be saved in your profile for your next visit. These trousers are a versatile piece that will add a touch of class to just about any outfit. Finally, the mocha wool and cotton striped pocket square is the finishing touch you never knew you needed, but won't be able to live without. Its mocha and beige stripes add just a hint of color without overwhelming an outfit. It works equally well with neutrals or complementary earthy tones. The wool-cotton blend is soft yet durable, the sort of pocket square that will remain steadfast through the years. This pocket square isn't flashy or in your face, but it's memorable. Tuck it into the pocket of your suit jacket or blazer, and it'll lend a hint of refinement that makes people look twice. The Proper Cloth customer experience feels remarkably personal. Each piece is made to order, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Their after-sales customer service is second to none, offering a worldwide delivery and free adjustments or replacements if your order doesn't meet your expectations. Shopping online for tailored clothes can feel like navigating uncharted waters, but Proper Cloth's website is impressively intuitive. The site is neatly organized, making it easy to jump between different clothing categories, while the detailed descriptions and high-quality images help you feel confident in your purchase. Their designer shirt platform allows you to choose from hundreds of fabric options and then personalize down to the finest details. Collar style, cuff type, monograms, you name it. Need a custom fit for suits, jackets, and trousers? Proper Cloth is on it. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling like a 10 out of 10 version of yourself. There's so much on this site we love, from the luxurious camel bleaker coat to the merino and cashmere Aran turtleneck, the sheer amount of dress and casual shirts available, the on-trend bomber jacket and the hopsack overshirt. Not to mention the great selection of quality accessories. The range is nothing short of impressive, and you get to browse through it in the comfort of your living room. Make sure to click the link in the description for 10% off your first order by using the promo code INSPIRE10. Proper Cloth has managed to strike the balance between high-end fashion and everyday wearability. So, if you're looking for a wardrobe staple that will make you look like $1 million without costing it, Proper Cloth might just be the answer to your sartorial prayers. Happy shopping, and remember, good style starts with good fit. Until next time, stay stylish.